So we have a little grinding lesson for you of the importance of an upper rear feed roll. This Kloss machine, it's a 980, it's the year 2014 model. Never been, the upper rear feed roll has never been changed. The operator liked our dual roll adapter this year. It fed in a little bit better, but if he'd had a new upper rear feed roll, it would have fed in a little better yet. So what we've noticed, and he's done at the end of the year, is a lot of cobs cut in about 1-inch pieces with all the kernels missing. So what's happening is they're getting it to the upper rear feed roll. The upper rear feed roll is too dull and not aggressive enough to bring it totally in. So these cobs will sit there and spin and spit right back out, okay? We have some protection in there to kind of keep them in there, but we found these all over the inside of this machine right after it's done grinding, and we've even found them right on the corn head when we disconnected the corn head. So the importance of an upper rear feed roll sharpness. Change them 2-3 years. Don't let them go any further. If you're going to grind a lot of ear corn, you'll help it feed into ear corn. That's Kooima Ag, getting back to you what we see in the field. Thank you.